Turning off the overdraft protection in Wells Fargo is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Firstly, log into your Wells Fargo online banking account. Then, go to Account Services. Next, under Protect Your Account, select Overdraft Services. Here, choose the account you want to manage overdraft protection for. Select Change or Remove Overdraft Protection. Lastly, follow the on-screen instructions to turn off overdraft protection. Before making any changes, it's advisable to understand the potential consequences of turning off overdraft protection, as it may affect your ability to complete transactions when there are insufficient funds in your account. Wells Fargo customer service will be able to provide you with specific details based on your account and preferences.